What are you doing out here? Don't tell me the storm got you freaked out. You know hiding under the blanket doesn't actually do anything to protect you, right? Seriously, you look like an idiot right now. Hey, is this really the plan? Hide out here under the blanket until the storm passes? You're being an idiot right now. Can you at least come back to bed with your blanket? Then make room. I already told you. Move. There. Now we're both under here. Your face is all red and puffy. How long have you been crying? Hey, look at me. It's just a storm. Part of nature. You don't have to freak out. I mean it. It's fine, really. Just a lot of rain and noise. Don't jump like that. You'll hurt yourself. I said don't. I'm screwing this all up, aren't I? I'm not good at the whole comforting thing. Never have been. Before you, I probably would have just let you cry under your blanket and pretend like I didn't see you, but I want to help you. Tell me, how can I help you? I can do that. Come here. Your breath is too shallow. You need to breathe. I mean deeply, dummy. You need to breathe deeply. Hey, look at me. You're gonna be okay. I'm not gonna let anything bad happen to you. Not on my watch, got it? Now deep breath. It's okay, just keep trying. Again. There you go. I know, but that's just the adrenaline working its way out of your system. The shaking will stop. Why didn't you wake me up? I woke up and you weren't there. It's the first time in a long time that I've been in our bed alone. It was disorienting. You're like a heater anyways. The bed was cold without you. It doesn't matter. If you get scared or feel sick, I want you to wake me up. You can tell me what's going on. Yeah, even if it's you being scared of a dumb storm. Yeah, but it's not stupid to you, right? You're freaked out, so it's important to me. 'Cause you're important to me, idiot. Do I really need to spell it out for you? Yeah, I love you. And I don't like it when you're dealing with someone scary on your own, okay? Look, we're gonna need to come out of this blanket. Well, for one thing, the floor is hard. For another, we have a perfectly nice bed right down the hall. You can take the blanket with you. I don't know why you'd want to, considering it's full of holes and falling apart at the seams. I can carry you there. All right, come on. I'll take the blanket too, don't worry. Are you walking or am I carrying you? All right, come on, princess. Let me grab it. Hold on. Here. I've got you. Come here. That's what I thought. You had it back in college, right? If you want to tell me, you can. I'll listen. Right, your dad gave it to you. No, you've never really told me. You don't have to now if you don't want to, if it's too painful. I know you miss him. Would he? From the stories you tell, I don't think he would have ever let his precious daughter go off with someone like me. Someone with a bad temper, who isn't super patient, who makes mistakes. A lot. I'm not the perfect partner that he would have wanted. Did he? So what happened? Your mom must have been pissed. Yeah, well, she sent him out for groceries and he came back with a gaming console and no milk. You're gripping it too hard. Your hands will cramp like that. Here. If you need to squeeze something, squeeze my hand. It's fine. I want to do this. I figured it was something like that. You've always been a bit jumpy whenever it rains. And the last time it stormed, you went back home, so... The wreck. It happened in a storm like this? It's not stupid. You lost your dad in weather like this. Listen, the storm will pass. Did you call your mom? Yeah. Is she okay? It's not dumb. You just wanted to make sure she was safe, and she is. And you are too. I'm not going anywhere. Not tonight. Not unless you want me to. Don't apologize. It's fine. Lay your head on my chest. Just focus on my heartbeat. It's loud, right? Focus on that sound and not the storm outside. Feel my arms around you. Nothing is gonna get to you through these arms, I promise. Shh. Just listen to it. You know I love you, idiot. Now, go to sleep. I've got you. Promise. Sleep.